Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right image and confirming system settings. Pick a high-resolution Hanuman Ji picture and save it to your Pictures folder so the path is simple. Once done, open Personalization or System Preferences. This ensures you change the wallpaper, not a temporary lock screen image. Make sure you have administrator access if prompted. That avoids permission errors. You're now ready to select the saved file and proceed to set it as your desktop background. You now perform the exact steps to apply the image. On Windows, right-click the desktop and choose Personalize. On Mac OS, open Desktop and Screensaver. Click Browse, navigate to your Pictures folder, and select the Hanuman Ji image you saved. Then choose the Fit option. Fill usually covers the screen without distortion, while Center leaves borders. Once you click Apply or Close Preferences, the wallpaper updates. This direct method changes the desktop only, letting you keep separate lock screen images if desired. Finish by verifying the wallpaper stuck. You should see Hanuman Ji immediately. If not, log out or restart to confirm persistence. If the image appears blurry, make sure you use a higher DPI file or try a different fit option like Center or Fill to prevent stretching. If settings revert or won't save, check file permissions and save the image with a new file name, then repeat the selection. These steps resolve the common issues and leave your laptop displaying the chosen Hanuman Ji wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.